G'day everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to be having a look at this Ford F-150 4x4 from One Bad Ride, truckin. It's 1/64 scale. I've done one of these before. I did go through my box and I found another 8 I think it was of these. So over the next few videos, the next couple of months, I will be opening them all up and we'll have a look at them. So this is it in the packet, Series 6 it's got down there. One Bad Ride, there are all the some of the cars are in it. Ford F-150, Chevy S10, S10 4x4, Dodge Ram. So there's a few there. It's a 2006 copyright date on this. I got them in 2018. Let's get this open. I might need another blade on me knife there. Seems to be getting a bit blunt. And on the packet there you've got support our troops. Yeah, it's got real working suspension. So pretty good. Same as was alright. It's just a bit loose. Yeah, same as that Dodge that I did. They're all, I think the chassis are all the same, just different bodies, but not too bad. Something different for the collection. I like them because they got sort of what looks like Super Swampers, but it's not branded that, but that's what they look like. So we'll start up the front. On the windscreen up here, you've got truckin. It does have windscreen wiper details, but they're just moulded into the casting. We do have some bonnet venting there, bonnet scoops. Grille looks pretty good. Headlights are all painted on, that's just chrome. Then they've got some black, sort of black accents in it. Just silver lights here and the center of the grille there. It does have suspension. It rolls, not the best, but it does roll. On the side we do have a mirror, and we have gold on the front and this sort of green turquoise sort of colour. Don't know exactly what it is. I'm not a paint expert or a colour expert, but that's just what it looks like to me. And interior, we have a chrome steering wheel, silver. Yeah, top of the dash is just black, but then the fascia of the front of the dash is silver. Just on the driver's side. Driver's side and the center is silver, and then the rest is black by the looks of it. There's no reflective material on the mirrors. This is just an extra cab. So you can see the suspension working there. So the arms and everything here move. It's all sort of joined as one. You can see what would be some shocks and things in there. Not connected to down the bottom, it's just in the moulded in the plastic there. Then around on the tailgate you've got truckin, and back window you've got One Bad Ride. They haven't put red on the brake light up here. We do have painted brake lights at the back. No indicators or reverse lights or anything. Underneath, we just got it's pretty basic. Yeah, you can see a leaf spring there, which is a separate piece. Same front and back. And then you've got your arms and your shafts there. But it all moves together. Exhaust detail with a muffler, which has got One Bad Ride written on it. Then we've got Ford Motor Company here on the base. It's screwed together, so you can modify it if you wish. And then passenger side is all the same. Pretty cool idea that they did put suspension on it. Now, I did notice, obviously, the casting on the bed cover here is a little bit off. It's got some like scrape marks or cut marks in it or something there. You can see on the edges. It's been painted over, so it'd be in the casting now. That, yeah, so that'd be in the die cast. So I don't know what they've done there. It does have a little bit of a lip on the back here, like a spoiler. I'll get that on the turntable so you can have a look. Yeah, that's spinning around there. Yeah, so it doesn't... It turns... Yeah, hit and miss. Does sort of rolls sometimes. Not going to win any races with it, that's for sure. But that's alright. I don't have anywhere to display these, so I'll probably just stick them in one of my cases. And once I've got some space somewhere, I will display it. But at the moment, I'm again running out of space quickly with my collection. Seems to be growing pretty quick. Which I'm not complaining about. I'm just more complaining that I'm running out of room. I don't think I'll ever stop collecting. There we go, we can do wheelies too. Alright. Check out the other videos that are popping up on the screen. Leave a like, comment. Please subscribe and share as much as you can. Alright, we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.